The evolution of ultra-portable computing is reaching a point of absolute disruption, and the tech world is quietly bracing for a device that completely shifts how we view pocket-sized power. For years, the compact tablet market has been treated as an afterthought, a secondary category for casual reading or media consumption, while the giant flagship devices claim the real innovations. But internal design movements and massive supply chain shifts prove that something unprecedented is happening inside Apple Design Labs. A strategic pivot that centers around a tiny, merciless powerhouse designed to shatter every expectation. We are looking at a radical re-engineering of the compact footprint, a structural upgrade so profound that it challenges the very necessity of traditional laptops and full-size tablets. The blueprint for this machine reveals a calculated blend of hyper-efficient architecture and professional-grade display technology, effectively turning a handheld chassis into a severe digital weapon for creators, gamers, and power users. This is not just a routine iterative update or a minor hardware refresh to keep a product line alive. This is the official realization of a true pocket rocket, a device engineered to dominate high-performance tasks while sitting comfortably in the palm of your hand. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Every critical piece of data leaking from the assembly lines points to the introduction of the iPad Mini 8 2026, a machine that represents a massive generational leap for anyone who demands uncompromised performance in a highly portable form factor. The conversation around small tablets has historically been limited by compromises, forcing users to choose between the portability they crave and the processing capabilities they actually need for heavy workloads. With the iPad Mini 8 2026, those compromises are being completely eradicated as the Silicon Roadmap reveals a breathtaking inclusion of flagship-tier processing power. Industry insiders monitoring the internal builds of iOS have uncovered data tracking a massive shift in processing components, indicating that this compact device will skip older component cycles entirely to adopt the highly anticipated A19 Pro chip. This is the exact same architectural powerhouse expected to drive the absolute highest tiers of premium smartphones, constructed on an advanced 3-nanometer fabrication process that packs billions of transistors into a microscopically small area. By placing the A19 Pro chip inside the iPad Mini 8 2026, engineers are creating a thermal dynamic that allows for sustained peak performance far beyond what a standard handheld smartphone housing can dissipate. The structural volume of a tablet design, even one as remarkably compact as this, provides a significantly larger surface area to spread out internal heat, allowing the processor to run at maximum clock speeds for extended durations without aggressive thermal throttling. This means that intensive mobile video editing, multi-track audio production, and highly complex computational tasks will execute with a level of fluidity that was previously the exclusive domain of bulky professional workstations. The implications for mobile gaming are nothing short of revolutionary when you factor in the sheer graphical capabilities tied to this next-generation silicon platform. The graphics processing unit integrated within the iPad Mini 8 2026 is rumored to feature a highly advanced architecture that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing, bringing console-quality lighting, reflections, and shadows directly into a device you can slide into a jacket pocket. Developers are already working on optimizing demanding AAA gaming titles to run natively on this specific hardware architecture, targeting blisteringly high frame rates that will make the iPad Mini 8 2026 the definitive handheld gaming console on Earth. Imagine playing fully realized, open-world desktop games with complex physics engines, real-time global illumination, and volumetric smoke effects on a screen that fits easily in a small bag. Frame rates are projected to jump by a staggering 69% compared to previous portable iterations, a massive statistical leap that ensures gameplay remains buttery smooth even during the most chaotic, graphically demanding on-screen sequences. This massive VE performance surge is beautifully balanced by a modern approach to system memory, with reports pointing to a minimum configuration of 12 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified RAM. This massive memory pool is not just there for bragging rights. It is a strict architectural requirement to fuel the local execution of highly advanced machine learning models and artificial intelligence frameworks. The internal neural engine within the iPad mini 8 2026 is being supercharged to handle trillions of operations per second, turning the device into an exceptionally fast, highly responsive AI workstation that processes deep learning tasks, real-time language translations, and advanced on-device image generation without needing a continuous connection to cloud servers. But all of this raw computational processing velocity would be utterly wasted if the visual gateway to the machine remains stuck in the past, which is why the display technology on the iPad mini 8 2026 is undergoing the most significant transformation in the history of the product line. For generations, the smaller form factor relied on traditional liquid crystal displays, which, while highly reliable, lacked the deep visual immersion, stark contrast ratios, and extreme responsiveness required by modern digital media standards. The iPad mini 8 2026 breaks away from this legacy by fully adopting a custom-engineered organic light-emitting diode panel, bringing a transformative visual experience to the compact lineup. This shift to an OLED display means that every single pixel on the screen acts as its own independent light source, allowing the device to achieve absolute, true black levels by completely turning off specific pixels when displaying dark scenes. The resulting contrast ratio is theoretically infinite, producing an image depth and a level of three-dimensional realism that makes movies, games, and high-resolution photographs look incredibly lifelike. Whether you are viewing HDR video content in a pitch-black room or editing professional imagery under direct sunlight, the visual accuracy and vibrant color reproduction of the iPad mini 8 2026 will set an entirely new benchmark for portable media consumption. Furthermore, the inclusion of organic self-illuminating pixels drastically reduces overall power consumption when displaying dark user interfaces, contributing to a significantly prolonged battery endurance despite the heavy processing demands of the internal circuitry. To elevate this viewing experience even further, supply chain logistics indicate that the physical dimensions of the screen are expanding slightly without causing an inflation of the actual physical footprint of the chassis. By utilizing advanced flexible OLED technologies, designers have managed to drastically shave down the borders and bezels surrounding the display, allowing the screen estate to grow from the classic 8.3 inches up to a rumored 8.5 or even an expansive 8.7 inches. This precision bezel reduction means you get a considerably larger canvas for split-screen multitasking, writing, and immersive media viewing, while the tablet itself retains its signature pocketable, ultra-portable exterior shell. This screen expansion completely changes the dynamic of mobile productivity, making it entirely feasible to manage complex spreadsheets, edit fine details and digital illustrations, or read dense programming code without feeling constrained by a cramped user interface. To completely address historical user feedback regarding screen responsiveness, engineers are working hard to eliminate the phenomena known as jelly scrolling, an artifact where one side of a display refreshes fractionally slower than the other during vertical scrolling. By implementing a highly optimized display controller and potentially introducing a variable refresh rate that can scale up to a fluid 120 Hz per motion standard, the iPad mini 8 2026 will ensure that every single swipe, scroll, and systemic animation feels instantly responsive, fluid, and incredibly cohesive to the human eye. The physical architecture of the machine is also receiving a comprehensive, ruggedized overhaul to ensure that this premium level of technical capability can survive the chaotic realities of daily mobile use. For the first time in the history of this specific product category, internal schematics suggest that the iPad mini 8 2026 will feature an official IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, bringing a level of structural durability that closely mirrors the resilience of modern flagship smartphones. This means the internal components are meticulously sealed against environmental hazards, protecting your expensive digital investment from accidental spills, heavy rainstorms, or unexpected submersions in water. To achieve this level of environmental protection while maintaining crisp, high-fidelity audio output, the internal speaker enclosures have been entirely redesigned with advanced acoustic meshes that repel liquid molecules while allowing sound waves to pass through with absolute clarity. The quad-speaker array on the iPad Mini 8 2026 delivers an expansive, wider stereo soundstage with deeper low-end frequencies and crystal-clear high tones, creating a highly immersive auditory experience that matches the exceptional fidelity of the new organic light-emitting diode display panel. Whether you're listening to a complex cinematic movie score or tracking directional audio cues during an intense online gaming match, the acoustic presence of this compact tablet punches far above its weight class. The external chassis itself is a masterclass in modern industrial engineering, utilizing a refined, lightweight aluminum matrix that balances structural rigidity with a remarkably thin profile. To combat the immense thermal energy generated by the ultra-powerful A19 Pro chip during extended high-performance workloads, the entire back panel of the iPad Mini 8 2026 has been engineered to act as an integrated passive heat sink. A highly advanced internal thermal interface layer, consisting of microscopic vapor chambers and graphene sheets, rapidly pulls heat away from the silicon die and distributes it evenly across the metallic rear surface of the tablet. This highly sophisticated thermal dissipation strategy ensures that the internal components remain within safe operational temperature limits, preventing any sudden drops in processing speed while keeping the device comfortable to hold in your hands during intensive creative sessions. The wireless connectivity suite integrated into this sleek metal enclosure is equally forward-thinking, boasting full native support for the ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 standard. This cutting-edge wireless protocol introduces massive channel bandwidth expansions and advanced multi-link operations, allowing the iPad Mini 8 2026 to simultaneously connect across multiple frequency bands to guarantee incredibly stable, ultra-low latency data transfers. Downloading massive video assets, streaming high-definition cloud content, or engaging in competitive online multiplayer gaming becomes a seamless, instantaneous experience devoid of frustrating buffering cycles or sudden signal drops.